Hello and welcome back to the Hebrew supplemental videos. On the last chapter, in chapter 2, I did not work any examples of dividing syllables. So let me do that with you. Here is an example of one from your textbook. We have here matzah. Oops, that's the wrong one. That is the right word. I just put the wrong guttural at the end. This actually should be a aleph. Okay, so there we go, matzah. Um, with dividing syllables, we're going to start from the back of the word, which is going to be here, and we're going to work forward. So we find our first vowel, this kametz. We find the consonant that goes with it, the sade, and then we're going to make our cut. Okay, we would find the next vowel, the next consonant, the mem, and make another cut out here if we needed to, and yet it's the beginning of the word, so we don't need to do that. One way to check yourself here is we have 1, 2 vowels, we have 1, 2 syllables. Okay, so that's one way to check yourself. Erase some of this. Oh, my dotted line. So there we go. Matzah, we would divide here. We have 2 syllables. Hebrew is going to label this one as the tonic syllable, since it's the last one and we don't have another accent mark labeled anywhere. And then finally, this one would be what we call pre-tonic, because it is in front of the tone. Remember, we read from right to left, so when we think forward and backward, we're going a little bit the other way from what we would in English. Okay, so there, oh, the spelling is going to work itself out. So let's do this to erase. Let's go to this one. Very good. So let me get another example. I'll work one more of these for you. I'll try to find a little bit longer word if I can. Okay, let's do Hutziaim. How about that one? Let me see, what color do I have here? Good. Got to get my pen back. There we go. Very good. Hutziaim. And final mem. There we go. So this one's going to be good for us in a couple of ways. First off, we have to decide if these yods and vavs are consonants or vowels. This one, I'll tell you, is a vowel. The hey at the front must have a vowel. It doesn't have one under it, so that whole and vav must be its. Same thing here with the tzade. It must have a vowel. So this hirik yod combination is, in fact, a vowel. So we have 2 vocalic consonants here, or 2 vocalic, a vocalic vav and a vocalic yod. They're both vocalic is what I was trying to say. So if we divide syllables with this little guy, let's move to blue here. If we divide syllables with this little guy, again, start from the back, and then we're going to work our way forward, find our vowel, find its consonant, which is the aleph, and cut. Vowel, consonant, and cut. Vowel, consonant. And then we would again cut out here if we needed to, but we don't. It's the beginning of the word. Here again, we assume that the accent is on the end of the syllables, so we have the tonic here. In this case, we would have pre-tonic, and here we would end up with pre-tonic. Okay, and you can run all those words together if you need to. But there's a couple of examples of dividing syllables for you.